Entry number 5. The topic is sea level rise and the place of concern is Venice, Italy. Global mean sea level, known as GMSL, has risen around 7 to 8 inches since 1990. Human-influenced climate change has made a contribution to the rise of global sea level mean since the 1990s. Much of this rise is linked to the increase in global temperatures. Some variables that are causing sea level rise are due to thermal expansion of the oceans as it warms and melting ice from mountain glaciers and the Antarctic and Greenland sheets. An area affected by the increase of sea level is Venice, in Italy. Venice has now been known by the number of floods and the severe threat of sea level rise. This threat has caused the historic city to have the same average elevation to sea level, destroying art and architectural treasures. Additionally, the increase in sea level has caused decline in the tourism industry, affecting the economy. Flooding, driven by high tides, has submerged around 14% of the city at least 4 times a year. Due to its old architecture, buildings constructed on wooden pilings are more susceptible to sink, affecting the infrastructure of the city. Forecasts in terms of environmental change have determined that the rate of increase is accelerating in over 25 Atlantic and Gulf Coast cities. Tidal flooding will continue to increase in depth, frequency, and extent this century. This, according to the Climate Science Report. Overall, the city of Venice is fighting back against sea level rise. The Muse and Modulo Sperimentale Elettromeccanico project is constructing barricades to keep the flood seawater out of the city. However, the only way to fight against sea level rise is by being aware of our fossil fuels consumption and finding better ways to use renewable energy.